Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Excuse me. Guys, let me see. I got a couple of project shares I want to show you with some dies that I purchased, and I've had these dies for a while, and I just want to show them to you. The first one I want to show you are these. These are macaroon. It's macaroon die, and it actually kind of looks like a hamburger one as well. And why I picked the macaroon die, I don't know. It was just cute. That's why. And to do the macaroons, you need 2 of the oval ones and 1 of the squoval one. And here they are, my pink macaroon. And this is the one with the oval one, and this is the squoval one. Can you see that okay? I know I'm at a kind of strange angle, but there they are. And I got these right here to show you how to put them together real quick, which is very, very easy. And these are the 2 squoval ones. Okay, I'm sorry about the interruption, but I'm going to put together real quick one of them. Let me see if I can pull it in a little bit closer. And I have 2 ovals and 1 squoval. The oval ones are for the one that looks like a hamburger to me, this one. And I just cut the filling out of some shimmer paper. Hopefully this is gonna come out. Oh, it looks. Let me get another one that I was working with earlier. I'm just gonna put a little bit of adhesive on here. And by the way, I got these dies from where? Aliexpress, of course. Just put a little right there. There we go. And that's 1 macaroon complete. And this one, just gonna put a little bit of adhesive right through there. And put it through the middle of the squoval. Try to anyway. There we go. And I have my chocolate macaroon. There we go. 2 macaroons. Very cute. Yes, they are. And my strawberry macaroons. So, now what I'm going to do with this, I don't know. I have absolutely no clue. Alright, so the next one is a doily die. And I have not created a project with it. I just cut it out, really. This is the die right here. Let's see if it's, oh good, there's no glare. This is the die itself, and this is how it cuts out. It's very pretty. I'm thinking about when I get a chance, I will make a wand with it. That's why I really bought them. Next is this die right here. Let me grab the die. And this is it right here. It's a rose. And this is what it punched, or how it punched for me. And I actually like this. I was looking for another word to go here, but love was the only one that I could find that fit right here. I'm trying to, there we go. There it is. And it's just a note card. And these are 2 different size note cards. One is a little bit smaller than the other one. And there's nothing on the inside. It's just empty. But these are the note cards that I created with this rose die right here. And the last die is going to be from Our Daily Bread, that Timeless Tote die. And let me get that for you. The last die that I'm going to share a project with you guys from is the Timeless Totes. I think that's what this thing is called. Petite Pocketbook. Timeless Tote Layers. And the Timeless Tote. Yeah. So this is a Timeless Tote. These are the layers. This is the little pocketbook, and this is the embossing insert. And this is what I created. And this is an oldie but a goodie. This is what I created. Which paper is this? Let me see what paper this is. Do I have it here? Do I have it? Where are you? There we go. It's from a Michael's stack from Recollection, and it's called whatever that is right there. That's what this one is. And I created this little purse here from the Timeless Totes. This was my first time using this die set. I got it, well, let me put it this way. The packing slip says 10/25/18. So it's been sitting on my shelf since October of 2018. So I just pulled it out. I don't know, I was feeling some type of way. So I went on and pulled it out and made this little ensemble here. Here's the little pocketbook. I've just put a bow on it, and I got it from this thing right here. And I put a bow again on the front right there, and I used Velcro to fasten it. I did use the little expanders, but I just cut them in half, and next time I'm going to use the whole thing. I made a lot of mistakes doing this purse. This was my first time, and this is going to be my sample when I take it to the craft fair, when I'm doing some. I think I'm going to do about maybe 4 complete sets, I guess. That's the purse, and this is the TN that will go with it, out of the same paper. And it's just gonna have the same stuff. You know how we do with the TNs. Pocket here. Can you see that pocket? This pocket right here. I just tore it. But that's the pocket right there. Like I said, this is still gonna be my sample. I got a shaker window here, a little dashboard there. This is the first insert, or the first signature. This is the second signature, right? No, this is not a signature. This is actually the folder. Excuse me. This is the dashboard. This is a full dashboard. And then this is the folder. This is the page marker, and it also has a pocket here. And I used the die and cut out today. And this was made from the scrap paper, as you can see, because the second signature is covered with this paper, and this is the third signature, and this is the back with another pocket. So that's how, when I do these, well, I'm gonna say if I decide to. The plan is to do them, but anything could happen between now and November. But if I decide to do them, this is how they will come. I don't know how much I will even charge for them. Just on GP, what would you guys charge for this set right here? Okay, and I think that's all of the dies and projects I'm going to share with you guys tonight. Okay, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye, little bugs.